Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Akajalla uba Prestone Tensong ulay tho ba ka sarkar kan Shna daga Jingkieng ba Thymmai ha Umïam badya kani ka sarkar kala de patha ban pendep loy ya ka jingsor jamin bat ka DPR ban yo pentrei no loy ulay tho ba ya ka Jingkieng ba Thymmai en Shna hajan jong ka tu ka Jingkieng ba menta ulong bana ka yang ka tanat PWD kelas sedang ban peniat syakmat ban penbiang yi jingdan kam bante ka surak badya ka Jingkieng ba Thymmai.
New bridge will be constructed, new approach will be constructed. Well, I don't know, I don't get the detail of that, in fact, but the fact remains is from the government side, where they ultimately put restriction, the carrying capacity over the bridge at Umïam. And number two, from the state PWD also, we are working out, we are already engaged the consultant, the alternative bridge or the alternative route. This is for the permanent solution from now on. Then now, let me just tell you, the consultant is on the job. He will now, survey will take place very soon. He will work it out. Then he will submit the DPR to us, and then we will push it for sanction of this particular project.
Has the area been identified, sir?
Sorry?
Area
already identified downstream of the existing bridge. Downstream of the existing bridge.